Sabi nga nila, changing up your hair color is just another way of expressing yourself. At dito nga yan sa Angel's Hair Cosmetic. My name is Kelly, your guide to your next destination. Ganito yan, from Chongli train station, take the Chonghe Road exit. At paglabas, facing the Chongli station, diretso lakad lang at tumawid kayo sa kabilang side. Then continue walking forward to the right. Along the way, you'll see R7 Mart, Taiwan Gold, Giordano, KFC, and when you reach Family Mart, turn left. At diretso lakad pa until you see Coco Milk Tea. And from here, ilang hakbang na lang at makikita nyo na ang Angel Hair Cosmetics. And you go up to the second floor. So here we go. Ang Angel's Hair Cosmetic ay isa sa pinakamalaki, pinakamaganda na Pinay hairstylist salon na napuntahan ko so far. At hindi lang yan, dinadayo rin siya ng mga OFW from different parts of Taiwan. Hi there, cute puppies! By the way, this is my dull dry hair before the color and treatment. At dito sa Angel Salon, they will do your hair slowly but surely to achieve the best result. After washing naman, they have their unique way of wrapping your hair with towel like this. Ang cute, diba? At finally, natapos din. At ang dati kong very dull and dry hair is now soft, smooth, and shiny hair na. Thank you, Madam Angel! Talaga namang sa Angel's Hair Cosmetic Salon, uuwi kang maganda at masaya. Yun lang. Bye, guys!